Welcome, dear children. Standard 7th History, Lesson number 9, The Maratha War of Independence, Part 2. Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Rajaram Maharaj was the second son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was born on 24th February 1670 on Raigad. He became Chhatrapati after the death of Sambhaji Maharaj. Now, Aurangzeb thought that his dream of winning the Maratha kingdom would be realized. He sent Zulfikar Khan to put Raigad under siege. That time, Rajaram Maharaj and his wife Maharani Tarabai and Sambhaji Maharaj's wife Maharani Yesubai and his son Shahu were on Raigad. It was risky for all members of the royal family to stay at one place. It was decided that Rajaram Maharaj should escape from Raigad and, if necessary, go to a far off place like Jinji. It was decided that the fight to defend Raigad would continue under the leadership of Maharani Yesubai. Rajaram Maharaj leaves for Jinji. On 5th April 1689, Rajaram Maharaj escaped from the besieged Raigad with a few of his associates. He decided to go south to Jinji. It was not an easy task for the Mughals to capture this fort. Rajaram Maharaj took his faithful Sardars like Prahlad Niraji, Khando Balal, Rupaji Bhosle and managed to reach Jinji. The movements of the Marathas. It was difficult to defend the Raigad fort against the might of the Mughals. The Mughals captured Raigad in November 1689 and arrested Maharani Yesubai and Shahu. While going to Jinji, Rajaram Maharaj had assigned the duty to fight against the Mughals to Ramchandra Pant Amatya, Shankaraji Narayan Sachiv, Santaji Ghorpade and Dhanaji Jadhav. From the Maratha point of view, the situation was critical. Aurangzeb had enticed many Maratha Sardars to his side by giving them watans and jagirs. Rajaram Maharaj also used the same tactics to thwart the Mughal plans. It was promised that if a Maratha Sardar captured Mughal territory, it would be given to him as a jagir. Due to this promise, many capable Maratha Sardars came forward. Santaji and Dhanaji were at the forefront in these actions. Santaji Ghorpade and Vithoji Chavan even cut and carried away the golden pinnacle of the emperor's own tent in a surprise attack. Siege of Jinji. Once Raigad was captured, the emperor sent Zulfikar Khan to the south on the campaign of Jinji. He laid siege to the fort of Jinji. The Marathas defended the fort bravely for nearly 8 years. The Mughal forces engaged in the siege were fiercely attacked from outside by Santaji and Dhanaji. Rajaram Maharaj escaped through the siege and returned to Maharashtra. Later, Zulfikar Khan captured the fort of Jinji. The return of Rajaram Maharaj to Maharashtra gave a boost to the Maratha activity. The Marathas attacked the Mughal territories of Khandesh, Varhad and Baglan. Rajaram Maharaj inspired hundreds of brave Maratha warriors like Santaji and Dhanaji with his understanding nature and statesmanship. He motivated them to protect the Swaraj and thus performed a very valuable task. But even as all this was taking place, Rajaram Maharaj died on 2nd March 1700 on Sinhagad after a short period of illness. Maharani Tarabai. After the death of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Aurangzeb thought that he had won the war against the Marathas. But it was not so. Aurangzeb was winning battle after battle, but he could not win the war. Maharani Tarabai, the capable wife of Rajaram Maharaj, came forward to lead the Swaraj movement in the extremely unfavorable circumstances. After the death of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai continued the Swaraj struggle bravely with the help of her Sardars. Maharani Tarabai fought for 7 years. She kept the Maratha kingdom strong. She took charge of the administration single handedly and encouraged the Sardars to participate in the mission of Swaraj. Thus, Maharani Tarabai kept up the legacy of valor inherited from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Due to the forceful campaigns of the Marathas, Aurangzeb was frustrated. The Mughal Maratha fight had continued for 25 years. Still, the Mughals could not defeat the Marathas. In these circumstances, Emperor Aurangzeb died in 1707 CE at Ahmednagar. The Maratha War of Independence ended with his death. Therefore, the 18th century is known as the century of the Marathas. Thank you.